Simple trick to pull back word table outside margin. Here is a sample of the table outside the margin where you can see that the bright boundaries is going outside page and I want to bring it back. So there are cases where you encounter this kind of problem. In order to resolve it, follow all the steps one by one. First is on this Microsoft Word table, click anywhere and once you click on the layout tab at top left corner of the screen. And again, new layout appears at right corner of the screen. Click on it and from this layout tab, click on Autofit. You will find different options. Simply you have to click on Autofit window. Once you have done that, you have successfully pulled back word table outside margin. So that's it. That's how you can also apply to pull back word table outside margin. I hope this video worked. If this video worked, then hit the like button, share and comment. Subscribe for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching.